Automattic, aka WordPress, just dropped an AI experimental block creator. You'll be able to create unique blocks using this AI generator. So it's from WordPress, free to use. Go ahead and sign up and start using it. Now, Telex is this right here. You can go ahead and provide it a prompt and generate whatever crazy idea you have out there and start using it right away by uploading it into your WordPress site. Now, I've already created a few projects here. For example, let me show you this feedback box that I told it to create, which is a super easy prompt that I created here, where it's going to create the feedback box and it's going to send it out via a webhook, which is pretty cool, right? Now that means that I'll be able to modify the block by selecting it. And this was all created by Telex, which is by WordPress. Okay. So I got the webhook, I got the placeholders that I can modify, and even advanced CSS. Now with all this, I'll be able to view the code, view the files created for this. If I need to modify, I can go ahead and download it and upload it into my WordPress site, which is pretty cool. Plus they have projects that are showcased that you can start using right away. Now, before I show you how to use these, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. Currently, they are running the Black Friday sale, so you definitely don't want to miss out if you need a hosting plan right now, or if you need to switch from another hosting plan. This is one of the ways that you can get the most affordable plan right now in the Black Friday sale. So if you jump over to the link in the description, go to claim deal, you'll be able to grab the best deal right now. So currently, you can grab the premium for $249, business for $329, and cloud startup for $749. I would recommend the business plan because you're going to get access to the AI features here on Hostinger. So yes, they now include AI features, which is pretty cool because you're paying for a hosting plan, but you're getting AI features. Now let me go ahead and choose this plan because I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code to get an even better deal that you're going to get right now. Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is, how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend the 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. And this is the current price, but if you click on have a coupon code, type in my code or paste it in, the price is going to drop to $142.13. So that's definitely a steal for 4 years paid off for a hosting plan. So don't worry about it for 4 years. Okay, so back to Telex. As I mentioned before, there's projects that you can start using right here. And take, for example, this one. There's a Minesweeper block that was created with Telex. And yes, you can tell it to create this for you and modify it to your own needs. So right now it's loading up. Here is the block that was created with Telex. Now I can go ahead and select how many rows I want for this, the amount of columns, the mines, and be good to go. Now what I want to do is go ahead and download this and use it on my WordPress website. So I'm downloading the Minesweeper plugin. Let's go ahead and jump into my plugins. Let's go ahead and add a new plugin, upload, and I'm going to use the Minesweeper one. So let's go ahead and upload, install, activate, and here we go. Let's go into the page. Let's go into this draft page. Here we go. Let me go ahead and remove that. Let's add a new block and let's add the Minesweeper. Here it is, Minesweeper. I'm going to select it and it's now loaded into my site, and I have the flexibility of changing the settings and start using it right away by saving it into my site. Now that is like a super simple game that you can start creating right now, which is pretty cool because this was created with AI. Now I can definitely do the same thing by creating it here on Telex. So I can go ahead and tell it that I want a game that is similar to Mario or the Minesweeper or whatever, but with a twist. Like, you tell it what you want, things that you won't be able to do if you bought a plugin that includes it. You'll be limited to what they provide you. And in this case, you have the full flexibility of working with this. Just like you saw on this project there, here's a pricing plan project that I've been working on. You can use the AI to keep on modifying and improving the look of your block so you can start using it on your WordPress site. I think this is the future. I think there won't be a need to buy bundles with plugins. This is going to be the thing in the future. We'll be able to just tell it what we want. It's going to generate the plugin for us. So I hope it jumps out of the experimental AI phase and they do actually implement this. They don't just burn this project. So that is Telex, link in the description. And if you plan to grab a hosting plan, that link will be also there. And that is a wrap.